Gift shopping can be tricky, especially for the special women in our lives. Get ready to discover practical and heartfelt gift ideas that the mothers and women in your life will truly appreciate.
Oh yeah.
Good day. Why splurge at a florist when GooDay offers a vast selection of outdoor plants and gardening treasures? You can choose from a broader variety of flowers to arrange as you wish, all in different sizes and at much better prices. For my Mother's Day gift, I chose a pot of pink ones. And for just 330 yen, I had them gift wrapped, just like at the florist. GooDay also has a huge variety of indoor plants. I love these small cacti, and there's so many to choose from. Affordable and easy to care for. Does the woman in your life have a busy schedule, but still value fitness? These slippers might be the answer. Stylish and smart, they help train your core, improve posture, and boost balance. You can use them while you cook, vacuum, iron, or do the dishes. And they have them for men too. Meet the latest model of Japan's best-selling massage machine. This hand massager works on your entire hand and each finger with 15 airbags and 3 levels of strength. Great for tired hands and boosting circulation. It offers customized settings, heat therapy, and a timer. And it's not just for women. I want one too. At GooDay FAB, you can create one-of-a-kind gifts. Personalize items like photo frames, signs, coasters, or hand mirrors to create a gift that's truly unique. Look at what I made for my wife. It's a plexiglass bottle keep stand and bottle keep tag. Now Emiko can have her own bar in our house and charge me too. Why limit appreciating the incredible women in your life to just Mother's Day? At your local GooDay Home Center, you can find practical, affordable, and unique gifts that are guaranteed to bring a smile to their faces.